Okay guys, see you again, Carty&Carty guys, and this is the part 2 of the other video. I videoed on my other phone, so this phone is the well, this is the normally original phone I normally use, but this is the follow-up video to show you everything is okay with this Peavey KB3. It's Peavey KB3 or 3, whichever way you guys, whatever language you speak, or say it, When you say it's the KB3, so Peavey KB3, and this is the church amplifier, for guitar and stuff like that. And this is the test video. It was a transformer problem. Everything's working okay. You turn it around like this, show you. And yes, guys, and I don't know if you're gonna see the pole light shows that it's on. No guilting. Pole light is right here. Yes, guys, and you could switch it on. See, guys, it's gone on. So, yep. This is the back view of it. So I'm using channel 2. Plug stuff in here. And then that's it. I'm using YouTube music because of copyright, So it is already. There you go. Can use my normal regular instrumental that I normally use that I love. I have to stick to what they say. You're the boss. Really, that one is already finished. Wow. Let's go to another one, guys. Uh-oh. This is weird. Oh wow. Play this one back again. Oh, sorry guys for blocking the video. Guys, that's it for this repair. I'm going to show you guys. Alright, let me Push this off, unplug it, unplug this. Right. I'm going to put this here. Guys, I'm going to show you what I repaired. So this one here, I don't remember if I did make a video of this. I'm not sure. And that Peavey there. Hold on. I'm using the front camera. So this guy's on that one here. So I see him. This one I actually replaced caps and stuff in, but this one, yep, yeah. And then this one is the one I just repaired, as you guys know. So yep, those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one I'm waiting on parts for this one. So yeah, this one, let me see if I can. Yeah. I was trying to see if I can turn the camera around. And here now, guys, is the one of them I already repair. Yeah, so one of this I repaired already, and one I'm waiting on parts. I'm sure I'll show you the video of when I'm installing the parts, and the other one for this one. But one of this I already repaired. I don't remember if I make a video or if I did make a video. Maybe I did, maybe I did not. But you guys will see the video for this one, and that will be okay. So for now, guys, sorry about my hand and that. Carty&Carty is out for now, and that's it for that transformer repair and that Peavey KB3. Peavey KB3. Okay, guys, so see you on the next one, guys. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos, and please like, subscribe, and thank you again, guys. Really appreciate it. Enough respect.